Good morning, boys and girls. So you just watched that video on how a suffix changes the meaning of a root word. Sometimes you also hear base word. I'm going to use the word root word today. So these are your spelling words. I'm just going to touch upon a few of them and review the root word and the suffix with you. So for example, if I look at working, our base word here or root word is work. Our suffix is ing, which makes work become present. If you're working, it's happening right now. If you look at a word like homeless, your root word is home. Your suffix is less, and less means you're without something. So you're without a home. Another one is smallest. So small is your root word, and est is the suffix, which est often is used to compare things. So if it's smallest, it means out of a group of things, it is the smallest one of them all. So these are your spelling words that you'll be working with this week. I hope this video helps.